Are you tired of getting flagged or banned? While there's other TikTokers out there posting the same videos as you but aren't getting flagged or banned? Well, I'm about to reveal their secrets. Well, here's the thing. 99% of TikTokers are making simple mistakes that make their unoriginal content get flagged or banned. But don't worry, because I have figured out what they're doing wrong and what you should do right. This is why in this video I'll walk you through 10 ways how you can edit your videos in CapCut or any other editing platform to make your unoriginal content not be flagged for unoriginality. So before we start, I want to encourage you to watch the entire video and use as many steps as possible. Now, with all that said, let's go into step number 1. Tip number 1 is mirroring your videos. I'll go into CapCut, then press new project, then I'll get my Kai Cenat clip, click on the clip, transform, mirror, bam, easy. Tip number 2 is filters and effects. So when you go into CapCut, we're just gonna go straight into effects, then video effects. And I found out the best effects are retro. We go into retro, you can choose any one.
Like you see I'm homeless in. Like you see I'm homeless in. Like you see I'm homeless in.
Then just drag it. Then we would want to go into filters, and I'm going to choose another retro filter, and Princeton looks great to me. I'm going to apply it to all my clips. There we go.
You getting money?
Tip number 3 is adding splits and transitions to your video. There you're doing a Kai Cenat's funniest moments, and I have a Ice Spice clip and a Kevin Hart clip. I would just add a transition between these two clips. I'm going to use a camera transition. Just do a shake.
Yesterday?
Bam, for those two clips. And also, you would add splits to your videos. So I would just click on this clip, add a split, and move over. Gonna put a little bit. Gonna drag the timeline, and then gonna make a tiny split. It's too small. It's like a 0 point something seconds, and we just delete that part of the clip, and it's not going to make much of a difference. See? I will just do this throughout the video, and it just changes the metadata. Okay, next I'll show you all adding captions can change your videos. Now we're in CapCut again, we're gonna go to text, then text to audio. CapCut also has auto caption free, and you have some better ones that are pro, but we can also add them ourselves. But just for this video, we're gonna click on this one, and we're gonna generate. Kind of fault to this, it's that it doesn't always get the wording right, so we could just edit captions and we could fix the wording ourselves if it's not correct. Although these auto captions are a template, we can also edit them. We can add or any type of style that we want, but for this I'm gonna go with yellow. We're already at tip number 5, and make sure you're watching the entire video. Basically, tip number 5 is adding zooms, and when you add zooms to your video, it allows you to emphasize key moments in your videos, like this, right? Another thing we can add is zooms. So basically right here, Kai is the one speaking, so we're just gonna add a split right here where it starts, where we want the zoom to start, and then we want the zoom to end, and then we add a chrome key right at the beginning of the clip, and we zoom in on Kai. Next, if we want to add a little movement with our zoom, we're gonna again split where we want the clip to start zooming, and then split again where we don't want it to zoom, and we're going to add our chrome key at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Then I'm going to zoom in on Kevin this time, And then over at the same spot, we're gonna zoom a little bit out. So there we have it.
Go.
And tip number 6 is adding clips. By adding clips, you kind of add a new context to the video. You can add 2 types of clips, A-roll and B-roll. In this clip, Kai basically talks about him being homeless.
Says I'm homeless right now.
So I'm gonna add like a homeless clip right here. Click overlay, add overlay, and I have this video. Make it full screen. Then I also have this photo of Kai. Then I'm gonna trim both clips down. This is how the clip looks.
Says I'm homeless right now.
Now we're at tip number 7. Tip number 7 is changing the background of your video. Background, we go right here to background. Then we click blur, then blur. And then if you want this type or even blurrier one, we go to with that, but I'm gonna choose this, apply to all. So if you don't want to go with a regular blurred background, you can always add your own, and then you add the clip over it, any overlay, and once you do that, you can edit it to your liking. Also, if you think the background that you added is too distracting, you can also blur it and then change the layers. Tip number 8, I see it a lot on movie channels. By adding green screens, you make your video harder to recognize, and this can be a green screen of a person, it can be a meme, it can be anything, any type of graphics. So in this clip, Kai kind of does this. So at this part, I'm just gonna click on the clip, then I'm gonna go down to the bottom and click freeze. Once the clip is frozen, I'm just gonna trim it down to my liking. Then I'm going to add the green screen as an overlay. Then I'm gonna go to remove background, use the Chrome key, click. We already have it on green. Bam. Then I'm gonna put this thing right here at the bottom. Next, I'm gonna trim down both the green screen and the frozen frame to my liking, and then this is how the clip looks.
Go. No, just like get on that.
Next, I want to talk about voiceovers. Can be either your own voice or even an AI voice. And in CapCut, we do have a text to audio feature. So we would go to text, then text to audio. Then I would type in what I need to type in. Next, go to voice to voices and test out all the voices.
You're using the text to speech feature.
You're using the text to speech feature.
Alright, I'm gonna choose that one. Then click next.
Kai seen it funniest moments.
I want to show you guys how you can add voiceovers, but with your own voice, but you can change your voice to make it sound like AI. So right here, I'm gonna go to audio and record. What's up guys, today I'll be teaching you how to repost on TikTok. Once we've got that audio saved, we click on the audio. Let's listen to it first. What's up guys, today I'll be teaching you how to repost on TikTok. Once we've had that, we can reduce the noise. And then we go to audio effects, then voice characters, and then we go to one of these.
What's up guys, today I'll be teaching you how to repost on TikTok.
Step number 10 is one that I have not seen a lot of people want to talk about, but it's used quite a lot, maybe you haven't noticed, and it is changing the voice of the person in the video. I'm basically doing do this by going a clip on CapCut, press a clip. Once you press the clip, you go down to audio effects, and then you choose any one that's suitable.
Don't do that. Okay.
And you just test out as much. So when between sweetie or megaphone, I can go through some break. And once you've chosen one, CapCut doesn't have the option to apply to all, so you just have to apply it before you even start the video and make a bunch of splits, because it's gonna take longer if you do it at the end of the video.
Kai seen it funniest moments.
3, 2, wait. Go. No, just like to get all the line. Yeah. Yep. Don't do that. Okay. Oh, so that's bad. Yeah, don't do that. You get money. I'm gonna get like you see I'm homeless and wait, I got a question. Since I'm homeless right now, like you think I could just like move in for a day or two?
To my crib?
Yeah.
I sleep on the couch right now.
wait, how come?
And there you have it, 10 ways that you can get away with posting unoriginal content on TikTok. But you must remember, the key to your success is implementing all 10 of these steps in every video. Thanks for making it to all the way at the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I want you to give it a thumbs up and even consider subscribing. If you have any questions or any tips, leave them in the comments below. Bye!